Today I'm at a strange angle speaking to you because we're going to take the steering wheel off this car. So let's get on with that job. So the first thing we need to do, and I've got my trim tool here, is just try and prise this ring off. There we go, got underneath it now. Just going to go round and gently lift it. You could use a screwdriver, some people would. I'm just trying to make sure I don't damage it in any way, so I prefer to use a plastic tool. Here we go, so here it comes off. And we got our horn here. We're just going to disconnect the wire. And there we go, the horn's off. So we can put that to one side. And then within here we've got a bolt. Need to check what size that is, and then we can get a big ratchet and take that off. We are back with our ratchet, and the bolt is a 24. So just going to put it on here, try and hold the steering wheel with our knees, and then start to unwind it. Now we're going to get to the point where it's almost off, but we're going to leave a little bit of thread there. And the reason why we're going to do that is we're going to pull the steering wheel, just straighten it up a little bit so we can put it back on reasonably straight. Okay, now we're going to pull the steering wheel towards us. Oh, it's come all the way off. I thought I'd left a bit of thread on there, but generally you want to leave a little bit of thread and pull it, because sometimes it's quite stiff, and if you pull it too hard it will come out and hit you in the face, so you need to be very careful of that. We can put our steering wheel back on, make sure we've got it the right way up. Might need to adjust it once we're on the road. It might just need a bit of adjustment. We can put our bolt back in. And we're going to give it a little bit of tighten again. Okay, nice and tight. Things moving, all seems to be in the right place. And we can reconnect our horn. There we go, spade connector is on. Now I can just push this back in place. Just make sure it's all in the right place. Yep. Okay, now if that's just, there we go.